Welcome, students, back to your first day of train history. Everyone, please meet our new student that just arrived here today, 𝕦𝕤.
No
Gasp.
way!
Give me 1 second, students. It looks like 𝕦𝕤 is too shy to come in. My name is 𝕦𝕤.
Is that what I think it is?
My name is 𝕦𝕤. You probably heard of
𝕦𝕤's
me.
here to haunt
I'm
us.
the coolest kid on the block.
I ain't ever seen you on the block.
That's because I'm new. Didn't you hear?
Why are you talking like that? I told you 𝕦𝕤's real. 𝕦𝕤's real.
You guys are probably wondering why I'm here today. Huh? You're wondering?
No, not really.
You're probably curious.
Is it to say chew, chew?
You don't think I can chew? You know what I can do? Huh? I can.
What's happening, I can't talk without ing.
Hey you, what's your favorite color?
It's pink.
Not anymore.
You're right. My favorite color is pink.
Eh.
I understand. I understand your power now.
It's too late. Give me a handshake.
I can feel the power. I am now 𝕤𝕤.
You know what's gonna happen to you, right? How
Please.
goes?
Please, 𝕦𝕤, the train, have mercy on me. It is not my fault that the passengers did not ride your train.
I'll give you 30 seconds to run.
Thank you, 𝕦𝕤. Hurry, go.
You better ride.
Chugga, chugga, I'm scared. I think I'm safe behind this tree. I don't think anybody can find me. Did I just hear that?
Meow, Cheetos.
What the heck? You're not part of this lore. Get out!
Cheetos.
If I hide here forever, 𝕦𝕤 won't get me.
No escape.